Okay, this is the guts of it. You see, this is the stock Intel cooler. It's not working very well. And give me a second. This little thing here, no matter what we did to try and put it in, there was always like some capacitors or components in the way. So hopefully this other one will fit, otherwise I'm in trouble. These are the Molex things that need the solder on, so I'll just do that now. So they just clip on there, and it gives it a bit more reach. And the nice thing about this old case, you can put lots of drives in there, and this is kind of my Plex machine at the minute, so that's kind of why I resurrected. It's an old CPU, but it's only 75 watts, I think, so it's quite a low power in the scheme of things. But that's on there. I've got one more to go. Let's get the cooler out of the way. Now I'm going to have to take this out of here and recable it. My good friend is very good at cabling, I'm not. But okay, let me get on with that. Okay, I've removed the screws, and this is the motherboard underneath, and there's that bit with the processor. And you see here's where the Intel things are going through, and in fact, that partly shows what the problem is. You see, two of them have gone in there quite well, but the other two haven't gone in. So that's probably why it's not making good contact, and probably why the thing's getting so hot. So I'll just pop these things out. I think you just twist them. I'll get those out, and then I'll get the bracket in. So I think there's a couple of stickers that come off here, and I'll get that on. So that's stuck on there, so now I need to put those little standoffs on and get the thing screwed in. That's quite good on the bag. So that says AM45, that one says 1700, and that one says 115X. So these are the ones I need to use. Okay, so the brackets are under there. We'll put the blue ones on for the Intel, and then I use the screws that are in the 1700. And now I've got to do the same on the other side. So I've already put the bolts together. I just put them through the standoff and get them in. So it seems to think that this little stud needs to be sticking up in the air, yeah? So it goes that way around, not the other way around. Okay, so I put the motherboard roughly where it needs to be. I'm going to line it up in a second. I didn't get an I/O shield with this. And then I'm going to try the fan, because I now realise why the other cooler didn't work, because it didn't have any standoff here, not enough standoff, so it probably needs these brackets, but let's give this a go. So it does come with thermal paste, you don't get much of it. Anyway, I'm going to peel back the... I've done it already. Peel back, I've done that, so it's on the copper. I think it's symmetric. And it looks like it screws into those little things there, so let's put that in. Let me put it in off camera and show you. Okay, that's going in good. It's on tight. So now I'm a bit worried about this height, but it might be okay. I mean, maybe that's why those metal bits are there to touch the case. And now I'm going to basically put the motherboard back, and I might try it without a fan first of all. Kind of stupid, I suppose, but it'd be nice if it was passive. Then again, there's a fan on the front anyway. So let me put this back together. Okay, so we got the graphics card back in, we got the TV card back in, that's going nowhere. One more of these to go in. Okay, so put it on that one there. Let me do that now. Okay, so far I've got 8 terabyte in there for my Plex. There's a 1 terabyte that I've taken out. I'm going to wire that in a minute. There's a 2 terabyte system disk SSD, and then 2 DVD reader writers, so they're for ripping DVDs. I find DVDs upscale pretty well on my system and use a lot less space than their Blu-ray counterpart, you know. And I don't know, I've got a Blu-ray on the other system, but I think it's just good enough. Anyway, I'll just wire this in and see how it goes. Okay, we just hung those hangers around there. Put the power fan in. I'll leave it on like that for a minute. I don't think that's touching anything at the moment, but I might unplug it. It's kind of near the RAM, but that's okay. And now it's a case of powering it in, seeing if it powers up. There is a problem with this power supply. Sometimes it don't work and I wiggle that, so I might have to get a new one. But we'll give this a go. Okay, it's up and spinning by the sounds of it. Keep the GPCs nice and warm. Just see if it's actually powered on. Okay, it helps if you plug in the DVI cable, but it's woken up. I wonder if I've got the specky thing. I mean, the case is open in a minute. Let's just type in specky here, see if that works. Might be on the wrong... Oh, there we are. Specky app. Sorry. Bad camera work. Would you like to run it? Yes, I would. CPU, motherboard, Intel. Oh, 36 degrees. Look, yeah. Car. Wow. That's even with the case open. So before this, it was on 103 and it was throttling. So what kind of speed am I getting? Control Shift Escape. I want to find the keyboard here. Okay. Where's the performance of the CPU? Hang on, sorry for this. Yeah, look, the speed is 3.6. Earlier it was 1 gig. This is perfect. It's worked out nice. I mean, I know it goes up and down, but it's cooling now. So, yeah, replace your fan if you've got a crappy old fan, and you should have fun. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.